Hello. Hi, guys. How are you? Um, Anna Walker with Anna Walker Designs here, coming to you late today on Thursday. My granddaughter was here for the morning, and whew, I got my workout today. Um, she is a pistol, but I love her dearly, and she had so much fun, and I had so much fun, and we got to do some coloring. We played with some stickers, and I watched more Ice Age today than I have in years. So it's all good. I'm here. I'm just gonna check in real quick, let you know what I'm working on. I am continuing to work on earrings. I am continuing to look at different colors and different combinations. What I need from you are some ideas of some colors that you're looking for, because the earrings are already starting to go and they're going pretty quickly. So I want to get some more loaded up onto the website just as soon as I can. But I want to make sure that I've got colors that you guys are going to be interested in. So tell me if you like the teardrop shape, if you like the round shape, if you like big, if you like medium, if you like small, if you like assorted colors, if you like the blends that I've done for the first batch, or if there are specific colors that you're kind of looking for. Um, I am going to try my hand at doing some beading and hand stitching on some of the more solid colors, those that I'm not using a bat for. For instance, I have some red ones that I've been working on from a rainbow braid, and I'm thinking that I might be able to do just some simple little embroidery stitches on there, and just give them a little, I don't know, nod to nostalgia. Um, I'm not a great embroiderer, but I can do a daisy stitch, and I do a great back stitch. I use that in my paintings all the time. And I'm getting good at French knots, although I won't do French knots on these because I have a tough time. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will be able to do. I don't know. I'm just gonna play. And I've got beads galore and sequins galore that I can play with. And so I'm looking forward to exploring a little bit more with having, this on the website. I am in production mode right now. So I've got some finishing to do on a few felt paintings, and I've got, oh, good heavens. I think I've probably got close to 50 or more scarf blanks just waiting to be Nuno felted. So I've got a couple of big production weeks coming up, and I may end up doing those while I'm in Iowa the last 2 weeks of September. I may get to them before then. But yeah, I've got an awful lot of work to do to get ready for the season. The Nuno scarves are going to be in an assortment of colors, and I've been collecting both very lightweight scarves that I've purchased for a song that are perfect for Nuno felting, and I've had a large amount of very, very lightweight cotton muslin that I've had custom dyed by my friend Jessica, that are in some beautiful gradients and a couple of rainbows. And so those will be coming to the shop no later than the 1st of October. But I'm hoping to get a running start on that and have some done even in September. So just a lot of production going on here. I hope that you are all well and that you're finding fun things to stab into existence. Someone asked if maybe I'd consider in September doing a Zoom class for teaching the needle felted earrings, and I think I will. So that'll be the third class that we'll have for Zoom in September, and I'll get a date scheduled here within the next couple of days and get that on the website. There's still one more class for this week and this month, and that is on Saturday morning, and it is for a wet felted scarf class, and you need to sign up by Friday night. I go with the numbers that I have as of Saturday morning when I first wake up, and we're going to be kicking it off right at 9 o'clock Central. So make sure that if you wanted to take the wet felted fabric class, that you get your ticket purchased for the class and that you gather up your supplies. They're noted in the link, but I'll be sending out the Zoom link for that particular class tonight. And then if anyone signs up tomorrow, I'll send it out tomorrow as well. So I'm looking forward to the wet felted fabric class on Saturday morning, and I'm looking forward to seeing what the next month brings. I hope that you'll continue to join me. We'll see you tomorrow morning. I should be here at 10, not a problem, and I'll talk to you then. Have a great day and have some fun stabbing something into existence. Bye.